Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to untie a balloon. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this balloon, and if you want to reuse balloons or you simply just don't want to pop them, then this is the video for you. What you want to do is look at the knot that is in the balloon, okay? Now you're going to notice that there is the end here, and it's most likely going to be just a regular single knot, the single overhand knot it's called, okay? Now this end feeds into the knot and then loops around. What we need to do is we want to pull the end through, okay? So sometimes we can do this with our fingers. Essentially, you want to look at the knot and you see these two little spots here, these two strands where the knot ties itself together. You might be able to use your fingers to loosen it up, or what you can do is get something that is nice and thin, but also at the same time not really sharp, and you want to use it. It's like something that won't pierce through the actual skin of the balloon. You want to use it to sort of pry up the knot. So I'm going to get my fork here, just one of the tines of the fork, and I'm going to slide it into that little spot right there, okay? So I'm going to slide it into that little spot. We are doing our best not to go through the actual rubber skin of the balloon, okay? We're going to try and get it to the other side. You want to kind of play around with it until it comes through. We're almost there. I'm kind of hooked on the end there. So almost there. I can see the end of the fork. There we go. So now we have the end of the fork, the tine of the fork through there. We're going to kind of try and pull this up, pry this away so that I can feed this tail of the balloon through. So I'm prying it away, and I'm just going to try and feed the tail through that little spot right there, okay? And once you get a little bit of that part through, you can pull the rest through easily. We just need a little bit of it to go through, because then I can pull the rest through really easily. We're almost there, and I'm trying to keep everything on camera. It's difficult. In real life, usually I just hold it closer to me so it would be easier to work with. So as you can see, I'm pulling the tail through. There we go. So now that I've pulled the tail through, I can actually bring the fork out, and we've now untied the balloon. Now this balloon is a little bit sticky, but what we can do is we can just, to deflate it, I can just kind of unstick it, I guess you would call it. Just like this. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to make sure we open up, there we go. Just open up the mouth, I guess you would call it, of the balloon. And now we're good to go. It can actually be deflated. That's it. That is how to untie a balloon easily. I've gone over the basics. You can reuse lots of balloons. I actually just recently did a video on deflating a foil balloon, which is great, which I actually have over here. So if you look at this foil balloon as well, I did a separate tutorial on how to deflate a foil balloon, which using a straw, which worked really well. So be sure to check that out as well. I probably will have just posted it when this goes out, or I'm going to post it in a couple days when this goes out. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And then this is how to deflate just a regular balloon and untie it, how to untie and deflate a regular balloon as well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.